welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to just do a vlog. Honestly, I've been doing like this is going to be the third vlog and I just enjoy them. Good morning. It is now 7:00 a.m. So the rundown for today is that I have a dentist appointment at 10 o'clock, and before that I have an appointment with one of my clients where I will be going through the applying for the school. So I'm just watching and reviewing just to make sure all is intact and everything is good. So meet with that client, and then afterwards I'm going to go to the dentist. I have a filling to get done. It's somewhere down here for one tooth. So my client literally just postponed until 1:00 p.m. So that freed up my calendar. I'm just going to send them the Google link for this evening. For me, I enjoy using email mostly because I don't usually use social media. That's something that I'm trying to eliminate in general. I'd say about 11 years now where I haven't used social media to scroll at all. I go on there to like answer messages. So other than answering messages, I don't actually do anything else on social media. It is now 12 o'clock. I just came back from the dentist. I got like 5 injections to numb this side. I'm just working on I'm like this because my mouth is literally, it didn't get any worse, but it just hurts and it's sore around there. It feels swollen. I feel as if it's getting swollen as well. Probably have to put ice on it. As a matter of fact, let me do that now. I have this. This is like just an ice pack. Oh my god. Coffee now, watch it now. Under the pressure, yeah. Just made something to eat. It's just like avocado toast is what it's called. It's a North American breakfast meal, but for some reason I like breakfast meal as lunch and as breakfast as well. So this is what it looks like. I'm about to take the call right now. It is almost 2 o'clock. Let me get my earphone too. You sound low. Hold on, man. Hold on. Let me have the cure. Alright. Yeah, man. Let me see it now. Let me see what you have for me. That's why we need the instruction. What instructions here for do. Leave it blank then. Go and go get the passport. Find out what the processing time for the passport. But you need for write exactly what's on the passport. But you not even have one. Okay. Move on. Are you interested? I wonder if it's the graduate thing. The graduate diploma. I wonder if I eat them so. Yeah, me not think I eat name so. But there's one where they call graduate diploma. That are the high school one. Alright, so CXC timetable year 2017. List each college or university at which you have taken courses. Please have an official transcript sent from these institutions. love it. I think this is the best way to end off this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.